My name is Akshata Deepak Vadgaonkar, working as an assistant professor at Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today I am going to take a lecture on design of basic gates using DSCH and microwind. That means design of OR gate, AND gate in DSCH and microwind software. These are the learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to learn design of basic gate using DSCH and microwind software. These are the content. Today I am going to take first of all introduction on design of schematic of AND gate and schematic of OR gate. Now let us start with an schematic of AND gate. For AND gate, we required here two PMOS are connected in parallel condition and they are commonly connected to VDD supply, and we connect two NMOS in series condition and they are connected to the ground, and we are providing two input A and input B. Then we are having here, this is the circuit of our NAND gate, and then we are connecting here inverter to design an AND gate. For that we are again use one PMOS and NMOS, and across that we are connecting our output, and this is the basic truth table of our AND gate. When both the input is high, at that time output is 1. When both the input is high, at that time output is 1, and when any one of the input is low, at that time output is low. This is basic truth table of our AND gate. Now let us discuss with the schematic of our OR gate. For OR gate, we required our two PMOS are connected in series condition and two NMOS are connected in parallel condition, and they are giving with two input, that is input A and input B, and VDD is connected to the PMOS terminal and NMOS terminal are connected to ground terminal. This is the basic circuit of our NOR gate. Then we are connecting here inverter circuit, that means we are connecting one PMOS and second NMOS, and PMOS are connected to VDD and NMOS are connected to ground terminal, and output is taken across this terminal. This is the truth table of our OR gate. It will show that when both the input is low, at that time output is low, and if any one of the input is high, at that time output is high. This is the truth table of our OR gate. I hope everyone should understand what is the schematic of AND gate and OR gate. Now we have to design its implementation in microwind software and see its layout in DSCH. Now this is a reference books. Now let us see implementation of AND gate in DSCH software. This is our DSCH software, and here different options are available like run simulation, timing diagram, this gun option, this is symbol library. Now by using this symbol library, we have to design here schematic of AND gate. For AND gate, we required our two PMOS are connected in parallel condition, and we required two NMOS are connected in series condition. So I am using here another PMOS, another NMOS, this is connected in series. Now we have to add a line between two source terminal of our PMOS and two drain terminal of our PMOS. Now we are connecting these two terminals, and we are drag one line between these. Here we have to connect our inverter circuit. This is basic schematic of our NAND gate, and by using inverter circuit we are designing here AND gate circuit. Now I am connecting this gate terminal of PMOS to the gate terminal of our NMOS. So in this way our gate terminal of PMOS are connected to the gate terminal of NMOS, and gate terminal of second PMOS are connected to second gate terminal of our NMOS. Now again we are using here one PMOS for inverter circuit and second NMOS, and we have to connect these two PMOS and NMOS using line. So by using add line we have to connect these two. We have to connect these two gate terminal common, and output of this NAND gate are given to the input of our inverter. drag line between this to see an output. So at across output we are using one LED. Then we are using VDD supply, which is given to the PMOS terminal of inverter and common drain terminal of PMOS of our NAND gate circuit. This is the basic circuit of our NAND gate, and this is our inverter, and by using these two we are designing our AND gate circuit. Then we required ground terminal, which is connected across our source terminal of NMOS. Again we required ground terminal, which is connected to another source terminal of our NMOS. Then we are using here input, here we are giving input 1. So just double click on it and write down the name input 1 and click on OK button. Then we are using second input, so give here second input, double click it and write down the name input 2 and click on OK. So this is basic schematic of our AND gate. And now we can see here we are using two PMOS, they are connected in parallel condition, and two NMOS are connected in series condition, and we are giving two input 1, input 2, and this is inverter circuit and this is our NAND gate circuit. And now we are designing here AND gate. So now we just to see its simulation, click on run simulation button and see when both the input is low, at that time output is low, and if any one of the input is, when both the input is high, at that time our output is high, and if any one of the input is low, at that time output is low. Here what input 1 is 0 and input 2 is 1, but output is what, low. If second input is 0 and first input is high, at that time also our output is 0. That means when both the input is high, at that time output is high. This is the truth table of our AND gate, and which is verified in our DSCH software also. Now here stop simulation. Now we have to see its timing diagram. So just click on timing diagram and see when both the input is high, that means here input 1 is high and input 2 is high, at that time only our output is high. This is waveform of our AND gate. Now this is a schematic and timing diagram of our AND gate. Now we have to design a OR gate in our DSCH software. For that we required here one NOR gate and second inverter circuit. So just by using gun we are deleting this part of NAND gate. Now we are using here NOR gate. For NOR gate we required two PMOS are connected in series condition and two NMOS are connected in parallel condition, and we are keeping our inverter circuit as it is, because by using NOR gate we can design our OR gate just by adding one inverter across output of our NOR gate. Then we have to add a line between two drain terminal of our NMOS, and we are using another line between two source terminal of our NMOS. Now connect these two terminal, means source terminal of our NMOS to this. Then we are using gate terminal of PMOS are connected to another gate terminal of our NMOS, and this gate input of NMOS are connected to second gate input of our PMOS. Then we are connecting our NOR gate to the inverter using add a line. Now we are providing here VDD supply to the PMOS, and we are connecting ground supply to our NMOS. Now we have to use this button. So click on this button and give to input 1, and click on this button and give as input 2. Now we have to assign it as input 1 and input 2. Just double click on it and write down the name input 1, assign here OK. Now just double click on here and write down the name input 2 and click on OK. So this is the basic schematic of our OR gate. This is basic schematic of our OR gate. What we are connecting here, we are connecting two PMOS are connected in parallel series condition two NMOS are connected in parallel condition and we are giving two input, input 1 and input 2. This is VDD supply, these are connected to grounded. Then we are using here inverter circuit and this is basic circuit of our NOR gate. And we are connecting inverter to our NOR gate. This is our entire schematic of OR gate. Now we have to see simulation. So click on run simulation button and see. When both the input is low, at that time output is low, and if any one of the input is high, at that time our output is high. When both the output is high, input is high, at that time our output is high. And if any one of the input is high, means input 1 is 0 and input 2 is 1, at that time our output is high. This is verified our truth table of OR gate. Now click on stop simulation button and now see its timing diagram. So just click on timing diagram. This is the output of our OR gate. In this way we can design our OR gate and AND gate in DSCH software. I hope everyone should understand how to design a schematic of AND gate and OR gate in DSCH software. Thank you.